How to use WhatsApp Web without scanning the QR code. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp Web without scanning the QR code. To use WhatsApp Web without scanning the QR code, first of all, click on the Windows icon from the bottom bar. Now, from here, tap on a search bar. Then search in here for Microsoft Store. After that, click to go into Microsoft. Once you get into your Microsoft account, click on the search bar. Then, search here for WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp from here. Click to open this app, or you can open this app from the Windows app. Go into Windows icon. Search for WhatsApp and tap to open it up. Now, it will show you the setup of WhatsApp on your computer. So, click to use the link with phone number option from here. Then, enter your number, select your country and click Next. After that, enter the verification code which you received on your phone number. And that's how you can use the WhatsApp Web without scanning the QR code. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.